Yeah. Sit back, just relax and play. I think I'll be doing that today. Put all the worries of the past away. I think I'll be doing that today. Reminiscing on the path I blaze. I think I'll be doing that today. And kick a rhyme on these tracks I play. I think I'll be doing that today. Don't wanna move, I wanna poster. Keep the windows and the door shut. Late brunch, cinnamon toast crunch. I keep it cooler than the other side. Like the winter to the summertime, I just wanna chill, it's no wonder I'm so mellow to the blood bordello. Everybody screaming encore, more cello. I'm a cool cat, I'm a real smooth fellow. I won't follow what you say though, cause I'm a soul rebel, so you know that. I keep it classic as a throwback. Holographs on my backwards cap. I stay fresher than the lunch line, trying to find what to munch on. Gonna grab some chips and it's crunch time. Won't rush and I will not speed. I just wanna chill out to the point I freeze. Live life like the water in the ice cube tray. I think I'll be doing that today. Sit back, just relax and play. I think I'll be doing that today. Put all the worries of the past away. I think I'll be doing that today. Reminiscing on the path I blaze. I think I'll be doing that today. Kick a rhyme on these tracks I play. I think I'll be doing that today. Sit and recline as I'm spitting a rhyme. I would try to write it down, but I'm thinking that I would rather watch more TV. Just so sleepy. Brake lights on, I'ma slow down easy. Nothing on the outside world's gonna catch me. Cell phones off so the boss won't ask me. Working on my day off's not gonna happen. My pajamas stay on while I'm disco dancing. I'm a mad fool, that's true, that goes without saying. So I'm singing this tune that I play so often. When I go often to my own mind, see my rhymes, my starship helps relieve this hardship. Trouble in the world, so proceed with caution. They tell me get to work, young kid, but I got my own plan, I'll put you up on it. It goes, sit back, just relax and play. I think I'll be doing that today. Put all the worries of the past away. I think I'll be doing that today. Reminiscing on the path I blaze. I think I'll be doing that today. And kick a rhyme on these tracks I play. I think I'll be doing that today. One more, they be screaming encore. I'll be saying peace out as I leave the side door. Meeting up with my kinfolk, rolling up that indo. Rolling 5 deep to the drive-through window. We gon' need more pico de gallo. Already spilled mine on the seat right behind you, and I can't clean it, yo, it's out my way. Plus a straw for my soda's gone MIA. It's a sad day, but I think I'll live. Just playing life's good, wouldn't give all this up for nothing. Especially a 9 to 5. I don't make much money, but I'll survive. Never cared too much about the hustling game, so I guess I'll just wait for the fortune and fame. Cause for now I'm just fine doing things my way. I think I'll be doing that today.
Bitch, I'm stylish. Glock talk, big t-shirt, Billy. Watch on my wrist, but I want that. Niggas talk crazy when I pull up his how high? Run that shit back, bitch, I'm stylish. Glock talk, big t-shirt, Billy. Watch on my wrist, but I want that. Glock talk, big t-shirt. Put it in perspective. Bitch, I got everything I wanted and some extra. If I don't call, I just text. Text, I don't feel my little bitch got the best. So no best, she's protected. No distance, so don't text. Hey, 2 pistols, 30s in the clip, these are